Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a pantry declutter, and apart from the drawer where I keep my spices and my tea and coffee drawer, everything else is in the pantry cupboards, and they're quite deep cupboards and they're just getting a little bit unorganized and untidy. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mel. I do a lot of cleaning, decluttering and organizing videos, and I'm trying to become more minimalist just because I want to simplify my life. So if that is what you're interested in, I'd love to have you click that red subscribe button below and join my YouTube family. Now for my pantry declutter, I'm not doing the full KonMari method, but I am sort of inspired by the KonMari method in that I'm just focusing on one category, and that is food. So instead of taking everything out of the cupboard at once, I'm just going to go through shelf by shelf and take out any items that have expired or items that I don't want or need anymore. And those are the things that I'm either going to donate or throw away if they're expired. I feel like my pantry isn't too bad at the moment in terms of being overstocked, because having decluttered it before, I am more conscious of what I'm buying and try not to overbuy, and I'm trying to also buy ingredients that serve multiple purposes rather than just buying an ingredient that's in a recipe and then never using it again. So for instance, I needed some vanilla extract for a baking recipe and I didn't have any, but then I noticed I had vanilla bean paste in my cupboard, so I used that instead of going out and buying some vanilla extract, and it worked just fine, and I didn't have to buy an extra item for my pantry.
Not that much, 'cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
Once I've cleaned out everything I want to in the pantry, I washed all the empty containers and I washed out the little sort of drawer divider that I keep my spices in.
I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
Then I gave all the shelves and the drawers a really good wipe down, and to do this I just used dishwashing liquid and really hot water.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another.
I'm not sure how well you can see this, but I do have some Lazy Susans that I made myself to put my oils and condiments on, just so that they would spin around rather than me having to sort of poke around and move things around to get access to certain bottles of things. And I have got another video where I did a deep pantry organisation. This video was quite some time ago, but my pantry is pretty much still organised in the same way, so I'll link that above if you want more detail on how I actually organise things in my pantry, and it also shows you how I made the Lazy Susans as well.
Head underwater, falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you'd fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. The reasons, I'm not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, and they never disappear. I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
Here is the finished result, and I'm so happy with it. I actually filmed this video quite a few weeks ago, and I have to say that for the most part my pantry has stayed pretty neat and tidy, and I think it is mostly due to the fact that I'm not overstocking my pantry anymore, and I am trying to, buy ingredients with intentions of using them for multiple recipes, and basically just being more conscious of what I have in my pantry before I go shopping so that I'm not buying duplicates. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out and lets me know which videos you want me to make more of. I've definitely got more decluttering and cleaning videos coming up for you guys. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!